Coming here in Amrita, this was completely new.
I wanted to do something challenging in my life, and to upbring my career path helped me a lot in shaping my career, as well as upbringing my opportunities for providing some usefulness for the human race.
I'm very glad to tell that I gathered many information and I got very well experience,
which I thought will be helpful for my PhD journey, which I'm yet to endure in the year of 2022.
and I'm very happy to say that now they are in very high positions, like someone are working in US universities and all.
Hi all, I am Saira and I am working as a senior research fellow right now in Amrita Center for Nanoscience and Molecular Medicine. I was an MTech pass out of Amrita Center for Nanoscience in the year 2018. So right after my MTech, I got an opportunity to join a project here in Amrita Center for Nanoscience as a senior research fellow, where we are working in the field of nanoimmunotherapy. Now during my MTech time, I had a background of biomedical science. I got to learn a lot more about nanoscience, the nanotechnology and its application in biomedical science. Being here in Amrita and the project work over here will actually teach you to integrate everything that you know into something useful for the society. So right now what I am working on is a nanoimmunotherapeutic reagent for cancer immunotherapy. So to be able to contribute to the society with all the knowledge is a great opportunity over here.
Hi, my name is Aishwarya. I was a student of batch 2017 at Amrita Center for Nanosciences. I chose to do my post-graduation in nanobiotechnology because I wanted to do something challenging in my life and to upbring my career path, and the Amrita campus has actually helped me shape my career to a beautiful level. So the campus life, apart from the study part, is that people here are filled with a lot of positive vibe. So it is not just how you can shape your career that you're learning from Amrita, but also how you can actually balance the life, your personal life as well as your career life.
Hello everyone, myself Anjali Gayes, and I did my MTech in Amrita Center for Nanosciences, and I was a batch of 2018. Completing my MTech, I get into an international project, which is an into Switzerland project. And here my PI is Dr. Mansur K, and it's a collaboration between University of Amrita at India and University of Lucerne at Switzerland. And was very happy that my MTech period as well as my work being as a research fellow for this 1 year in this international project. I'm very glad to tell that I gathered many information and I got very well experience from the lab facility here and as well as the faculty here, and the environment we work with matters a lot. The welcoming I got from my seniors was very amazing. In between the hectic PhD period itself, the seniors were doing their PhD. In that time itself, the immense help they gave me and the hand they rendered me was very amazing, and I am very thankful to those people, and who are very happy to say that they are in now very good positions, like in the leading universities of US in the world. The support that time I got from the authority, mainly Dr. Shantikumar sir, and it's very amazing, and I am very thankful to sir. And I am very thankful for everyone at Amrita Center for Nanoscience of Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you all.
Hi guys, I am Nivedita Ashok, currently working as research assistant with Dr. Jayakumar at Amrita Center for Nanosciences and Molecular Medicine. I completed my post-graduation in nanomedicine, and I did my thesis work with Dr. Deepti Menon at Amrita Center for Nanosciences and Molecular Medicine, and I belong to the batch of 2018 to 2020. So I'm basically a pharmacist with a lot of interest, to explore in the field of medicine, especially in the area of pharmacology. To put it in simple words, like how medicines work and how all we can tweak in here and there, so that we can get, we can extract a lot of therapeutic effects from a particular medicine. So keeping that interest in my mind and carrying all that interest to work in that area of medicine, I chose Amrita Center for Nanosciences, and I applied here and I did my MTech, and I should say that I did get a lot of exposure, more than I had come in with expectations and all. and with the same passion I am still continuing here as a research assistant. I'm still working at Amrita Center for Nanosciences and Molecular Medicine so that I can gain much more experience in this area of research, especially in nanomedicine, which I thought will be helpful for my PhD journey, which I'm yet to endure in the year of 2022. Coming to the campus life, Amrita Center for Nanosciences and Molecular Medicine provides you with a lot of opportunities, not only in the area of research but also to boost your self-confidence. Example is the Samskara programs that happens in the center. I was a part of Meet the Legend programs that was held during the year 2019 to 2020. I used to anchor the programs and also be a part of organizing the events. So it was really a good experience being a part of that. In the program that was conducted, I also had the chance to witness various other programs that takes place, to interact with the various doctors from various fields who have done great accomplishments in their fields and all. So it was really pretty good. My heartfelt thanks to Dean of Research, Dr. Shantikumar V. Nair, my MTech thesis guide, Dr. Deepthi Menon, and my current professor that I'm working with, Dr. Jayakumar, for letting me be myself and to explore research in all possible ways. And last but not the least, I would also like to thank my research scientists, postdocs, PhD students, and my lab mates and my friends for making my journey comfortable in Amrita Center for Nanosciences and Molecular Medicine very smooth.